Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to transfer money quickly and easily? Perhaps you were trying to buy or sell cryptocurrency, or maybe you just needed to send some money to a friend or family member. If so, you may have wondered how long it would take for the transfer to go through. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how long it takes for a Coinbase Wallet transfer to complete. We'll cover a variety of topics, including the different types of transfers, the factors that affect the transfer time, and what you can do to speed up the process. What is a Coinbase Wallet? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what a Coinbase Wallet is. Coinbase Wallet is a mobile and desktop wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. It's one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets on the market, and it's easy to use even if you're new to crypto. Types of Coinbase Wallet transfers. There are two main types of Coinbase Wallet transfers: internal transfers and external transfers. Internal transfers are transfers between two Coinbase wallets. These transfers are typically very fast, and they usually only take a few seconds to complete. External transfers are transfers between a Coinbase wallet and another wallet or exchange. These transfers can take longer to complete, depending on the network that is being used. Factors that affect the transfer time. There are a number of factors that can affect the time it takes for a Coinbase Wallet transfer to complete. These factors include the type of transfer. As we mentioned above, internal transfers are typically faster than external transfers. The network that is being used. Some networks are faster than others. For example, the Bitcoin network is typically slower than the Ethereum network. The time of day. The network can be busier at certain times of the day, which can delay transfers. The confirmation threshold. The confirmation threshold is the number of confirmations that a transaction needs to have before it is considered complete. The higher the confirmation threshold, the longer it will take for the transfer to complete. The fees that you pay. Paying higher fees can sometimes speed up the transfer process. How to speed up your Coinbase Wallet transfer. There are a few things that you can do to speed up your Coinbase Wallet transfer. Use an internal transfer. If possible, use an internal transfer instead of an external transfer. Choose a faster network. If you have the option, choose a faster network. Transfer during off-peak hours. Try to transfer your funds during off-peak hours when the network is less busy. Pay higher fees. Paying higher fees can sometimes speed up the transfer process. The time it takes for a Coinbase Wallet transfer to complete can vary depending on a number of factors. However, by following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that your transfer goes through as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching.